here. Okay, so like I said, just kind of mix it, just spread it around. You know, sometimes the water's moving around a little bit, so it's okay if it looks like it's waves. So come up against your little rock here, your little outcropping. Just get it in there. And it doesn't have to be smooth, obviously. Try not to get it around your edge, around this part, because we are going to put a ribbon down there to kind of dress our board up a little bit. But all those decorators out there now that are having fits about cover your board, well, we're covering the board. So it seems to be the battle cry these days. Cover your board. Okay, if you have time to cover your board, that's fine, but you know, it always makes it look nice. If you don't have time, it's okay too. Just use the right board. And just go all the way around, fill it in. And if your fondant work isn't exactly perfect, like mine isn't on this one, just cover it up. Have waves lapping up against the edge there. Here. And you don't have to go all the way to the edge if you don't want to. It's, you know, it's all purely up to you. Okay, so now I've got my water on. And now we need to start attaching our little guys here. So let's, I kind of want to move a little bit of this out of the way so we can put our little penguin guy in there, just so it looks like he's splashing in there. And so he can be, whoops. I'm going to set him in there anywhere. He won't go anywhere, but there he's dove into the water there, so there he is. And now what I've got in here is some melted white chocolate. I'm going to attach these guys. I've obviously made a few little more. I'm going to attach these guys with white chocolate because that seems to be the best thing. It sets up the quickest, and it makes it, and it's a nice sturdy hold. So hopefully I can get it out of this bag without, hopefully it hasn't gotten too cold here. Okay. So let's start out here. Let's see. Let's put somebody up here. Who do we want to put up there? Maybe this guy here. Just kind of set him up there. Now you might need to hold it for a minute just to keep it until it, I put a little bit much on there, but just hold on to it just for a bit till it sets up. And then you can, I actually put too much on there, sorry about that, but anyhow, you get the idea. So let's do him, and then we got our little fat guy here. I think he needs to go here on the, or actually maybe we should put our seal on the, yeah, let's put our little seal here on the rock, because he's kind of out by himself there, hanging out. Just hold on to him for a minute. Okay. And then we got, I'm going to put a little guy over back here. And one thing about the chocolate is you can, you know, it'll stick. It'll stay there. He's got his little ball. He's going to sneak up on his buddies. But like I said, hold on to it for just a second, and then so it can stay there. But it's not going to go anywhere once it's pretty well on there. Okay, we got two more little dudes. Two very fat little dudes. So let's see what we can get them to stay here. Okay, let's get this guy here. Now let's do him. Now let's do him. There's always room to play around. Just stick him on there. Walk, walk, walk. Okay. See, aren't they cute? Okay. And we got this other guy over here with his little red earmuffs. I'll just put him down here. Anyway, so this is why you want to make little ledges on your iceberg, so you have little places to put your little figures. So, and obviously you can see I made little earmuffs for a couple of them, and that's pretty much it. So at this point, I would. This is kind of neat stuff. It's snow. It's actually the what you find on like powdered donuts, or you put it on lemon bars so that it doesn't absorb into the lemon and become just lemon. but it's from Germany. It's kind of cool. But I like to put it on here just at the end, just to give it a little bit of snow. I can get it open. But you kind of have to kind of be easy with it, because it'll all come out of your sifter at once, unfortunately. But just put just a little bit on here, just enough to kind of give it a little bit of snow, so it looks like they're in the snow. Maybe over here. A little on the dude here. Now that you've got all your pearl on there, you're just going to cover it up, but not really. So it just adds a little more realism to the thing. Okay, that's all. Not going to put a lot on there, just that.